Unbox, unbox. We're gonna unbox, unbox, unbox. See what I got. See what I got. See what I got.
Calling me out while I'm counting my blessings, counting my blessings. If it don't affect me, I refuse to stress it. I refuse to stress it.
Hey lovelies, welcome back. I just want to show you the goodies I got. So if you're here for the first time, I want to say thank you and hello. If you're not subscribed, why don't you go ahead and subscribe now. For those of you who are back for the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th time, welcome back. Guess what? You smart, you loyal, you intelligent, you beautiful. Thanks for coming back to my channel, guys. So like I said, today I got some goodies and I've been waiting for this package forever. I've been waiting. It did not, I'm exaggerating. It didn't take that long for it to get here, but guess what? It's here. It is here. My Melanin Hair Care by Whitney, aka Natural 85, y'all. She came out with her own hair care line, guys, and it's called Melanin Hair Care. Make sure you go over to her channel and subscribe at Natural 85. Y'all, she's doing it for the Black community. No, but she is bomb. She's an OG in the natural hair community. So, and here on YouTube. So yeah, y'all go check her out if you haven't heard of her. Oh my God. She's like an inspiration. So let's see. Ooh, goodies. So first I got the Melanin Twist Elongating Styling Cream, and I cannot wait to use it. I did a twist out, so this is it. But yeah, too bad I did that. It is with shea butter and natural oils. I like that she chose a peachy color. I like bright colors for one. I don't know if that's a thing, but I'm feeling it. Like, also too, it is 16 ounces. This is a 16-ounce jar, guys. Let me smell it. Oh, and it's so cute. She signed it, y'all. That is so cute. She signed it. Look, Whitney. It says Whitney, love Whitney, Natural 85. So cute. So, let me smell this bad boy. Yes. It is natural indeed, y'all. It smells like shea butter. Very light and airy. I don't know if you guys seen my other videos. I talked a lot about things being over fragranced. Sometimes that can be overwhelming, but this has a very light and fresh scent, just like shea butter. Shea butter, baby. So yes, let's see. Y'all, and it's thick. It is thick. It's a thick cream. It's thick. Look at that. Yeah, this is so dope. This is so dope. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use this, y'all. Not only did I get one, but I got one. Surprise, two. I got two because I'm so extra. And I don't know. I might give this to someone as a gift. If I love you enough, maybe you'll be receiving one of these as a gift. So excited, y'all. I'm so pressed. So pressed. Like I was saying, my video cut off. Ugh, I can't stand when that happens. But I also got, for the culture, I also got my visor. On one side, it says Melanin, and I'm going on a trip in a few weeks, so I cannot wait to rock this. I can't wait to rock this. It has a little natural 85 on the side. Let me put this on really quickly for y'all. And it's stretchy material so that it goes over your natural big hair. Y'all, this is un éxito. De verdad, un éxito. Estoy más que agradecida. I'm more than grateful, y'all. Yes, come through. Come through, Melanin. So, yes, y'all, this is my unboxing. Leave a comment down below letting me know when you plan on getting it, or if you already have this product, let me know how you loved it. I haven't used mine yet, but I will. I'll be sure to do a review. I know I'm gonna love it. I already know I'm gonna love it. I can tell. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.